Welcome back to Rex Programming's Introduction to Python. In this lesson, we're going to be covering sets. Let's begin. Go ahead and open up Atom, and in your Rex Python folder, create a new folder called sets. In your sets folder, create a new file, and we're going to call this file creatingsets.py. Creatingsets.py is going to be a program that will help you learn how to create sets, which are simply made by using these curly brackets and then putting your items in between and separating them with commas. So sets cannot have multiple occurrences of the same element, which means if you put in duplicate items, it's automatically going to cut them out and just provide you with one. Let me show you what I mean. I'm going to create two sets here, one for dog food and one for cat food. Okay, and in my dog food set, I'm going to say dogs like to eat chicken, beef, lamb, pork, and salmon. And cats like to eat tuna, cod, salmon, shrimp, and chicken. So my sets here are unique in value, where they each have one value, none of them are duplicating. However, if I were to duplicate one and I were to put chicken in here twice, it would not affect anything. I could still print out my dog food and simply get chicken listed once, even though it's in my set twice. That's how cool Python is. It will automatically eliminate all my duplicates. So you can use this mathematical and sign to figure out the intersection between two sets and say, okay, if I have a dog food set and a cat food set, what items are the same? And it'll tell you that, hey, dogs and cats can both eat chicken and salmon. Then I can say, well, what can dogs eat that cats cannot eat? And now I can say dogs can eat beef, lamb, and pork, and cats don't eat that. Or I could say, what can cats eat that dogs don't eat? And now I can say cats can eat cod, shrimp, and tuna, which dogs don't eat. And you can even use what's called a symmetrical difference and find the dog food and the cat food and say, what are not the same? And it'll print out everything that is not the same between them. And finally, you can combine two lists together by doing a union. And a union looks like this. And it's going to combine all of the items in both lists, beef, chicken, cod, lamb, pork, salmon, shrimp, tuna, and it's not going to repeat anything. Even though the cat food had chicken and salmon, you're only seeing them both listed here once. So again, you can create a set by using curly brackets. You can separate all your items in a set by commas, and then you can compare your sets very easily by using the and sign for intersecting items, which ones are the same, the minus sign to see the items that are difference between the sets, the symmetrical difference if you want all the items difference in both sets, and then a union where you can just combine both sets together. Awesome. Well, that's it for today. Congratulations. I'll see you in the next video.